Hi, this is Andy Crestodina from Orbit Media Studios. I'm testing out a new video setup here, and I'm also going to show some analytics tricks. This is one of the first of many web videos we're going to make. So today I want to show you something in Google Analytics called motion graphs. So what I'm going to do is use motion graphs to learn what phrases we're ranking for, which phrases are getting seen when they rank, and which phrases are getting clicked when they're seen when they're ranked. So this is something in analytics called motion graphs, and this is how it works. So I'm in analytics right now, and what I'm going to do is first go to traffic sources, then open search engine optimization tab. Inside there are queries. This is only going to work if you have analytics connected to Google Webmaster Tools. That's when the search engine optimization tab becomes active. So what I've done inside here is I've filtered it down to just certain queries. And here's my advanced filtering. I'm going to include queries that just have Chicago and web. Those are two of the most important keywords inside the key phrases that are important to Orbit. And so then what I've done is I've turned on this button over here to see the visualization, and I'm going to make the y-axis the average position, in other words our rank, and make the x-axis number of impressions. I've changed and so it's going to show dots. Each dot is a different key phrase. So I'm going to actually make the color of each dots also represent the average position. Kind of redundant, I know, but you'll see that when things rank higher, they're warmer colors. When they rank lower, they're cooler colors. And in the end, it gives you a motion graph so you can kind of animate it. So what you're seeing in this animation is the phrases that we rank for, according to my filter. When they're higher on this list, we're ranking higher. When they're lower, we're ranking lower. When they're over on the right, these are phrases that people are seeing. There's impressions. And when they become big, I have set big to become the actual clicks. So let's slow this down and actually watch it from the beginning. Each of these is a phrase. We're ranking well for these phrases. They're toward the top. And some of them jump down. Did you see that one that jumped down there? This is a phrase that we quit ranking for suddenly at that time, Web Development Chicago. That's indicating to me this little weakness for the strength of that phrase. So it tells me that I can work on that either by tweaking the key phrases on that page. I can create more internal links from other pages. I can do guest blogging with that key phrase in the link when I post content on other people's websites. That's some learning that I can do from there. One of the things that I'm seeing in this chart. Also, looking over on the right, you can see the phrases that we are, as they get big. Did you see that one? This phrase got clicks. It was Chicago Web Design. So that phrase is performing well. That's the other thing that this chart is showing me. So we want these things to appear high. When they appear high, they're more likely to be on the right, which means they're being seen. When they're being seen, they're more likely to get big. That means they're getting clicks. So as we watch through, it's actually kind of pretty. So these are the phrases that we're ranking for. These are the ones that need more link support, more keyword support. These are the ones that are being seen, and those are the ones being clicked. There you have it. That's a quick example of motion graphs inside analytics. Kind of an advanced trick. It's kind of it's a little bit mathy, a little bit analytical, but also sort of creative. It's kind of pretty. It reminds me of sort of finger paints. It's sort of art and science combining on this report. So anyway, that was it. Again, this is Andy from Orbit Media. I'm showing analytics. This was motion graphs within analytics, and having fun testing out this new little video setup. It's working pretty well. Hopefully this looks good, and this is the first of many videos, so keep your eye out. We'll be posting lots of other things like this.